Today baby is 50 days old.
Ne yapıyorsun sen orada küçük kafan çok tatlı. Çok tatlısın, gülümsedin mi? Birinci defa gülümselerini yakaladık kamerada. Yakaladık seni. Yakaladık seni. Gülümsemelerini yakaladık babanın yanında. Yakaladık seni. Çok tatlısın. Bak küçük kafana bak. There is a smile.
I got a few things in the mail and then I figured out it's from Japan, so I know that Nick's sister had sent us something, so I'm so excited to see what is inside. I'm gonna put them all on the side first and then I'll go through them one by one. So there's this one, and then, oh, so cute. Oh, this is from, that is so cute, make her calm and reassured. So this is from Nick's brother-in-law's parents. That's so sweet. Wow. So it's a doo-doo, which means I think it's like a little blanket. So I'll go through them again after. So cute. Oh, this is a little ruffle pillow for baby. That's what that one was. Oh, oh, little baby combs. So cute. What is this? I'm not sure what this is. I'll have to ask. Oh, I think this is something unrelated to baby for takoyaki, possibly, because Nick likes to make takoyaki. Oh yeah, it looks like, oops, I'm not even filming it. I think this is to make takoyaki maybe, which is those like octopus balls we make sometimes. Okay, I'll ask him that later. Oh, this is a little nail file. That's awesome. That's the little pieces for the nail file. So cute. Oh. Cheers to the new mommy and daddy. May your sweet baby grow up bright and healthy. That's so cute. Okay, I want to look at these. This pillow here is a ruffle pillow for baby to sleep on or sit on or to cuddle on. And then, like I said, that was a really nice, cool nail file. Some takoyaki maker. The nail file is going to be really useful because it's kind of scary to clip her nails. So let's see how this one works. Then this one is from Nick's brother-in-law's parents. And it's like one of those little blankets that you put with the baby to cuddle and make her feel really snuggly and warm. So I'm gonna go put that on her after. And then this really nice tutu. It's so cute. I love it. So cute. The beautiful thing also about this tutu is that I didn't see, but they actually got her name Isla embroidered at the top of the dress. So I think when they're babies, it's a full dress and then you put that over the shoulders. And when they're babies, I mean, when they grow a little bit older, that becomes a tutu. So that's beautiful. And then that's the little doo-doo that I'm gonna wash and then give to her.
I can't believe she's not crying. She's incredible. Oops. You're so cute when you don't cry.
For the past 2 weeks, I've been doing HelloFresh, and now I'm trying this one called ChefsPlate. So just my address is on the box, so I'm not gonna show you guys the actual box. But these are the 2 boxes of the meal stuff. And then I order for 4 people, 4 meals, so it's 16 meals in total, and then I just prep them for the entire week. Yay. I also got some little outfits from Old Navy. So this is a little apple dress. This is a little apple outfit for 0 to 3 months. And the rest is 3 to 6 months. So this one, little Halloween pumpkins, skeleton. These ones I just got, and it's because Halloween's coming up in October, end of October. So I wanted some cute little things for fall and October. And also we're gonna go apple picking soon, so I thought it would look Baby is eating and we are vlogging. I'll show you guys what's inside the chef's plate so you can see kind of how the bags are, because I don't think I've showed you guys that yet. These are what the HelloFresh bags look like, and then that's what the chef's plates bag looks like. So it's very similar. I got curried beef. These are the recipe papers. Here, I'll give this to my friend. And then, yeah, so there's 4 big ones like this. This one is Chipotle Tex-Mex turkey salad. This one is sweet and spicy Japanese style pork and rice bowl. And this one is smoky chicken and chickpeas. This is a vegan one. Oh, no, just kidding. It says chicken. What am I saying? And then there's a bulb of garlic. And then oh, and then there's a bunch of stuff in here. Okay, I almost threw it out. Good thing I did not. This is the turkey. Okay, so all the meat's in here. Okay. It's leaking. I also got something here. I'm gonna show you guys what that is later from Bed Bath & Beyond, and it's a baby food maker for later on. And I also got these 2 things from Love Every. They actually sent it to me and reached out and asked me what products I wanted to try. So this is Love Every, and it's called the Babbler Kit, and this is the block set, so I'll unbox these later as well. Okay, so here's my meal prep that I did. I have, Carb Smart Jerk Spiced Salmon Bowl by HelloFresh. And I also got Chef's Plate. So this week I'm trying out Chef's Plate, and this is my last one from last week. So trying to figure out which one I like more, Chef's Plate or HelloFresh. I'm also gonna try, there's one called Good Food or Yummy Food or something like that. I'm gonna try that one and see which of the meal kits that I like the most. Really, really helpful for postpartum, honestly, because like 25 minutes, I don't have to do groceries, I don't have to think about anything, and there's always coupon codes everywhere, so yes, it's working out pretty nicely so far. Okay, I have some white noise playing in the back, and I just figured that out 7 weeks late, and baby's taking a nap. Those ones are the ones I had already prepared, so the salmon with the, it's not rice, I think it's orzo or something, some pineapple kale salad. And these are the turkey chipotle salads. Those are some ciabattas that turned into croutons with some tomatoes, feta, and spinach. So that is 8 meals for this week so far. This is the one I bought from Bed Bath & Beyond. And I got 20% off coupon that I always go. So Biba Baby Cook Duo. You could steam it and blend it at the same time. So, hi. Oh, mommy. My mom... Grandma's trying to put the baby in the video. There you go. So after 4 months, or between 4 to 6 months, usually when they start eating, then we can start making some nice purees.
Yeah. Oh yes, of course you have to be there too.
He got jealous.
Oh, good boy, Bentley. Yes, but this is actually very funny.
He got jealous?
Yeah. Hello, kara böcek geliyor. Neden?
Look how cute she is. This little angel. This little angel. Look how cute she is. I love you so much. You're so cute. You're so cute with your little hair like Dragon Ball Z sticking up like that. So cute. You're so cute.